Need to turn off your phone but not sure where to start? Don't worry, this quick guide will walk you through the easiest methods anyone can follow in just a few moments. Method 1. Turn off your phone using the quick settings panel. Start by unlocking your phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen using two fingers or swipe down twice with one finger to open the full quick settings panel. Look toward the top right corner of the screen for the power icon. Tap it and the power menu will appear. Select power off, then tap power off once more to confirm your choice. Your device will begin shutting down and the screen will turn black after a few moments. This method is especially useful if your side button isn't working properly or if you prefer navigating through on-screen controls. Method 2. Use the side button to power off. Many modern smartphones allow you to turn off the device using the side button. If your phone has been set up for this function, simply press and hold the side button for about 2 to 3 seconds. The power menu will appear on your screen. Tap power off and then tap it again to confirm. Your phone will safely shut down. Using the side button is often the fastest option because it can be done with one hand and requires only a few taps. Before turning off your phone, make sure you've saved any important work, downloads or unsent messages, as all active apps will close during the shutdown process. And that's all there is to it. You can now power off your phone confidently whenever needed using these simple steps.